Hi parents, I have some 18 self-esteem activities for your kids, so let's get started. So the first one is the self-esteem journal. I have this journal, I have designed this paper with prompts, so you can add any prompts you like. You can switch them up over week. So let me show you some prompts. So this is the daily journal, and the prompts are like these. One thing that made me feel happy today, and today's mood. I feel most proud of myself when my goals for this year, and today's affirmations. Today I'm grateful for. So all these prompts will ignite a positive response, which sets these worksheets apart from everyday day-to-day journaling. So even when your child has a bad day, encourage them to journal and find the good things of their day. So remind your kids that no matter how hard things get, there is always something good if you look on. The next one is let kids pack for a trip. So I have a packing list here. You can see the packing list. So let me show you in a closer look. Let kids pack for a trip. Packing can be one of the best self-esteem activities for kids as it promotes independence and confidence. Ask your child to pack their suitcase for the next vacation or an overnight stay. So remind them all of the things they will need and allow them to pack those necessary items. But don't forget to have a look at their suitcase after they pack, because after all, they are kids. The next one is what we love about. Prepare a chart like this and have your child's name in the middle. So have each member of the family write at least 2 things they love about the child. It can be anything from they are kind or funny or they are a good friend. Since we want to deep dig with this exercise, try to stay away from complimenting physical attributes like you have a beautiful eyes or something like that. So hang this chart in your child's room, and anytime they feel low, they can just look at it and remember that there are a lot of people to love and support them. The next one is practice yoga. Yoga has a lot of benefits for adults as well as for kids. So let me show you some yoga which you can do it every day. A daily yoga practice improves focus, self-esteem, memory, academic performance, classroom behavior, and even helps reduce anxiety and stress in children. Yoga also teaches discipline and reduces impulsivity in kids. So go on and help strengthen your kids' growing bodies while improving their flexibility and confidence. The next one is my favorite. It is nothing but a worksheet on my favorite recipe. So you can invent a recipe. You can pretend you are a master chef and you can prepare a recipe. So let me show you in a closer look. I love baking or making salad recipe challenge because you can add pretty much anything you like. So now it's time to create. So allow your child to make their own cakes or salad, but ensure that you are supervising anytime the stove is involved. Creating a recipe also helps them learn from their mistakes. The next one is daily chores or small tasks. Do you know a child's self-esteem will rocket sky if they feel someone trusts them? So trust in your child to do daily chores or help with a small activity. So you can use all these prompts. Make your bed, hang your clothes, keep your shoes, take care of daily clothes, water plants, put books on the shelf, keep your toys, organize paper and art supplies, throw the trash away. So I ask for my kids to help all the time. When I'm cooking, I'll ask them to sprinkle some spices. And if I'm sweeping, I'll ask them to get the dustpan. There are endless activities that you can ask your child to engage in your daily chores. Remember, when your child completes a task, compliment them, keep it short and straightforward, and always remember to praise the effort and not the result. And when they dump entire mop water all over the floor, don't shame them, help them to learn from their mistakes. And the positive reinforcement is the way to go. The next one is one-on-one time. Sometimes we get caught in the trap that quantity of time is more important than the quality of time. So I suggest this. Find a calm, quiet and relaxing location, a park or anywhere. Spend some time talking about your life. Talk about any minor problems you're facing. When your child hears you talk about your life and understands that everyone encounters challenges, they will be more likely to open up about what's bothering them. For example, you could share some of your work experience and you could discuss the things that how you have solved the problem, because sometimes we don't know what our kids are going through and they can be often very scared or unwilling to share. So if your kid is going through such phases, try this activity. Feeling supported and talking to your child will help your child develop their coping strategies and the self-esteem. The next one is goal plan. Setting smart goals is a wonderful way to build your kids' confidence. Have your child to sit down and set goals for any upcoming events or any challenging situation. So you can make something like this. You can write your weekly goals, your monthly goals and your long-term goals. Ensure you create a plan of action. For example, if your child wants to learn their mathematical tables, you could set a goal like this. I want to learn my mathematical tables by the end of the month. I will practice every day for 10 minutes. This is a SMART goal, and setting SMART goals are a fantastic way to help your child achieve it. Celebrate when they complete their goal and then you can go on to the next one. So the next one is my favorite, act of kindness. Trust me, do this act of kindness challenge. So this is a closer look. We naturally feel good about ourselves when doing good for others, and what the world needs right now is this. So you can ask your child to take some time to perform some act of kindness. You can say hello to your classmate, help your parents with the task, say thank you with a smile, and you can just write anything of their own here. You can just fill as they want here, and create someone in the class that they may be stuck, help someone tidy up, write a nice note for someone. So you can just use all these. So if you're enjoying my video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you have not yet subscribed. Do watch till end and we have some more amazing activities for your child. The next one is the bucket list. I'm sure that we all would have gone through. So let's start teaching our kids making this. Ask your kid to make a bucket list and have them list all the exciting things that they want to accomplish or experience in the next few years. Make a list for yourself too. Hang your list where you can see them. Taking a look at the list every morning will help your dreams turn into reality. So taking a look at this list every morning will help your dreams turn into reality. The next one is mirror, mirror, what do you see? Body shaming and poor self-image are one of those real struggles that kids are facing these days, and I would even say that adults are also facing this. So let's teach our kids to love their bodies no matter how they look. So you can ask your child to stand in front of the mirror, ask them to take 20 seconds to just look at themselves, and then ask them to write 3 things they see that they like. You can also name 3 things that you love about them. This exercise will allow your kids to appreciate themselves and all that makes them beautiful. Complete these exercises often so that they are constantly reminded about themselves, how beautiful they are. Next one is the big wins. Make a chart and divide it into 2 sections, ages 4 to 6 and then ages 7 to 10. Brainstorm together and list all of the super extraordinary accomplishments your child has made. This activity helps kids see how much they have succeeded and that there is so much more in store. The next one is the word of the day. I love creating the positive word of the day. Each morning write 1 word on a whiteboard, or you can use a worksheet like this to write a word in the center. So you can think about beautiful words such as generous, beautiful, love, harmony, peace, encouragement, support, fun, friendship, helpful, kindness, effort. The possibilities are endless. Throughout the day, remind your child of the word and incorporate the word into your day in a fun and creative ways. This helps the dark negative clouds out and keep the bright positive thoughts in our mind. The next one is the confidence mapping. Write in the center why I am a rock star, then draw arrows. Then draw arrows from the center and have your child write different reasons why they are incredible. These ideas will start bouncing and expanding off each other, and this exercise helps kids realize that they are pretty incredible even if they didn't realize it sooner. The next one is flip your thoughts. This exercise will help your child to flip from the negative thought to the positive thought. So have them write down a nagging negative thought they keep having, then have them positively rewrite the thought. You can also discuss why they feel they keep having these negative thoughts and how the negative thought is making them feel. You can also ask your child to examine past mistakes or failure and write what they have learned. So after they have rewritten these sentences, you can tell how they feel with the new positive thoughts. The next one is ask your child open-ended questions. This helps the kids to dream big and share what's on their mind. Kids can start to see their lives as happy and full of possibilities. So these are the examples of open-ended questions. What are my strengths? Where do I see myself in 5 years? What makes me scared? Do you lose your temper easily? What do I love about myself? What brings you the most joy in life? What am I most looking forward to about the future? Where do you see yourself 10 years from now? What is your favorite hobby? What is your favorite memory? Do you want this confidence kit? Then drop in a comment below. The next one is one of my super favorite, and it is positive affirmation challenge. I love the affirmation challenges because it is super inspirational activity that bonds the family together. You can ask each member of the family, including you, to research and come up with their own positive affirmation or positive quote. So write it down. So some of my positive affirmations are here. So and then everyone in the family regroups with their own quote or affirmation. An affirmation can then ensure about the meaning of the affirmation or quote, why your child chose it. The last one is exercise and explore hobbies. Exercise is one of the best way to increase self-esteem. First of all, it releases feel-good chemicals, and secondly, it makes our body healthy and confident. You can also encourage your child to explore new hobbies. As parents, how to build confidence in kids. Here are some tips. How to build confidence in kids, things parents can do. Ensure your child knows that you love them no matter what. Kids want your approval, so ensure that when your child misbehaves, you reinforce that they aren't a bad child, they simply made a bad decision. Ask for their advice or opinion on decisions. By asking their opinion, we let them know that they are an important family member and that their opinion counts. Don't compare your kids to other kids. All kids are unique and develop at different times. They all have special talents and traits. Stop comparing and instead search for your child's unique abilities. Give tons of hugs. There can never be enough hugs. Physical affection is a way to communicate love and acceptance. Praise the effort, not the outcome. This is especially important in helping kids develop a growth mindset. We want our kids to know that with effort and by trying hard, anything is possible. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and please do support by subscribing to my channel for more content on parenting.